The moment you enter the 2-story foyer, you will feel right at home. Spacious open floor plan offers brick turret front with 2-story wall of windows for plenty of natural light. 2-story living room, formal dining room and large eat-in kitchen overlooking family room with wood-burning fireplace. Main level 5th bedroom or office and might laundry room off attached garage. Upper level boasts 4 large bedrooms including master suite with private bath and is her walk-in closets. Full finished basement offers in-law suite, wet bar, NICE family room play area, full bathroom and 2 finished rooms with walk-in closets and tons of storage. Beautiful yard offers patio, privacy and professional landscaping. Many updates include high-efficient furnace and central air in 2015, newer roof siding doors, water heater, and downspout drainage. Enjoy this great neighborhood, top-rated schools and convenient location to MP Metro Station, X-Way, parks, dining and shops. A great place to call home.